All right, so let's talk about your branding and your overall growth of who you are and who your image is and what your company is and all those different things. So many people think that they need to put their branding and marketing and advertising of themselves at the forefront of what's actually going to be bringing in business, and it's completely wrong. In the end, no one really cares about you, especially if you're a brand new product. You want to solve people's problems and then consistently tell people about what you're doing and how you're doing it along the way. Once you get to the point to where you've established yourself as something that's going to be here, you're probably here 6 months, 12 months, 18 months as a real estate agent. They're like, okay, this person's not going away. They're consistent. I've seen them consistently over and over. Now it's time to start refining your brand and your marketing and your advertising of who you are as an individual. You got to sit there and make the money first before you sit there and try and talk about how great you are. You have not proven yourself. You need to prove yourself. Then you could talk about how great you are and what you do and how you do it and why you do it better than everyone else. Because some people jump into real estate talking all this smack about how good they are, but they've never even sold a house or never even really have a clue about it. So what I would recommend is to focus on your branding and advertising after you've done this consistently, and now you know what style of homes that you like, now you know what area you like, now you know what services you can deliver and how you deliver it, because your personality is going to come through in your marketing and your advertising, and now you know that. You're not going to know that when you first start out. You're only going to know it after you do it consistently. So now's the time when you want to start getting your own individual logo, your own colors, your own signature tagline, things like that you can consistently build upon, because nowadays people don't go after the real estate brokerage, they go after the agent. They want to focus on a service that a real estate agent is going to provide, because less and less brokerages have that much impact. They're not advertising and spending money to get in front of people. It's the agents that are putting themselves in front of people, and it's their style and their services and their branding. So now that you've done that and you're doing it consistently, that's the time to start working on your branding, not before. You need to focus on deals on your first 12 months, 18 months. You need to get money in the bank, and then you can sit there and play with it later. Or you can hire someone to help you do it, but you're at least bringing in money and you can do it consistently. So that's my input on marketing and branding of your own personal identity.